In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox not loading games. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is search for run. Now, after it appears, here type in percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. A new window will appear. Now here search for the folder Roblox. Once you find it, right click on it, then select the option delete and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is close this, search for Roblox, right click on it, then select the option open file location. Now here you're going to find the Roblox player, right click on it and select the option properties. Now navigate to compatibility tab, then check in for the option. Run this program in compatibility mode and run this program as an administrator. Then disable full screen optimizations, click apply and OK. With this, your problem will be fixed. If still Roblox is not working, another possible solution is checking your network or using a VPN. Sometimes connection issues or regional restrictions can prevent Roblox from loading properly. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.